Welcome to ShipEngine, where we're having a very exciting day today because we have here one of the very first packages purchased using Facebook's Marketplace, processed through ShipEngine. You see, the way Facebook Marketplace used to work is you would buy from someone in your local area, and then you'd have to meet them somewhere random, like a Target parking lot or a Starbucks, to make the swap. But now that you can ship using Facebook Marketplace, powered by ShipEngine, you can sell your items to anyone, anywhere in the country, including this Carhartt jacket, which we purchased just recently. This is one of the very first items to ship across the country using Facebook's Marketplace, powered by ShipEngine. And I tell you what, this is one heck of a jacket. My understanding is that if you're wearing one of these around the barn, you're legit.